Computer Science 10 students, welcome to your first week of online classes with me in Computer Science 10. Spoiler alert, it's not going to be much different than it's always been. Continuing to work on projects, learning content through Coding Train, and asking me questions as they come up. So some things I want to talk about is what you should be doing this week for our class and kind of what the future is going to look like. So we're going to be doing online like office hours, drop-in times where you can hop into a Google Meet with me and ask any questions you might have. Share with me your files, and I can take a look and walk you through some tips, things like that. If you just want to come in and chat and hang out and, chat with some other students, talk about, what you've been up to, games you've been playing, any stories you want to share, whatever. But all of that can happen in our drop-in office hours, which I'm going to schedule every week, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday from 2 until 3. So for that hour every week, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, I'll be in a Google Meet video conference, and you can hop in and ask any questions or chat or whatever. So I'll put specific instructions of how to access that in the D2L today, and maybe I'll see some of you later today or tomorrow or Thursday, and if not, then maybe next week. And as well, you can always let me know if you need to chat, if you have a question. Most days I'm here at my computer working, so feel free to get a hold of me by email or by private discussion on D2L, and we can hop in a virtual classroom and talk through what the problem is. So again, that's Wednesdays from 1 till 2 will be office hours for Computer Science 10. And then outside of that, feel free anytime, shoot me an email and we'll get in touch. Okay, what should you be working on? What I would like to do is give you still another week to kind of, if you haven't been, get back up and running with your projects that you've been working on. And then next week, on Tuesday of next week, I will put up some instructions for how you can sign up for a time to chat with me in a virtual classroom, and we'll do a code review. Code review is, again, I'll just look through your code, have you explain to me parts that you're proud of, how it works, parts that, you got stuck on, maybe how you found a solution to it. Just give me an overview of what you've learned and kind of show off your project. That's going to inform your marks for some of these modules. And then basically once that's complete, you can move on to the next couple modules, which is, as I talked about in the last video, starting to look at the web technologies, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and how the three of those work together to deliver web pages in the browser. So you'll be going through some Coding Train tutorials, tinkering around as you go, and then at the end, either making a new project with those skills or improving on your current project and adding some of those web elements. More information about all that later, but for now, just keep working. Hopefully some of you will drop into our virtual classroom. It's not mandatory. It's just there as I'm always there at that time. And again, let me know if you need to get in touch outside of that, and we can set something up as well. Okie doke. Bye.